Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow notification access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on special access. Now here click on scroll down and click on notification access. Now from here you can allow or don't allow apps for notification access permission. So if you want to allow a app, then turn on its button and then click on allow. And if you don't want to allow notification access for any app, then just simply tap on its button to turn it back off and then click on turn off to confirm. And that's how you can allow or don't allow notification access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.